Good morning. Welcome to your 15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some rain throughout the morning hours this morning, then we'll see a break this afternoon before some more rain comes in later this evening. Going to have some mild temperatures today. Already seeing temperatures in the mid 50s. That's warmer than we were expecting this morning, but those temperatures have risen, and we'll see temperatures today near 60 degrees for our high. And we'll also see some slightly breezy winds out of the southwest to south. So seeing a very mild day for this time of year. Temperatures about 15 degrees above normal. 20 degrees above normal across the area, as well as some rain showers throughout the region. Going to have a very slight chance of a thunderstorm this evening with a cold front moving through, but overall, those chances look to be at 10% or less. Our current surface analysis, we do have this warm front stretching across the region, giving us this rainfall this morning. That will continue to move through the area this morning, and then we'll see a break this afternoon for a cold front sweep through this evening, giving us more rain across the area. And taking a look at our current observation, we have a broken deck at 700 feet. Broken deck at 3,000 feet, overcast deck at 5,000 feet, 4 miles statute visibility with some light rain, having winds out the southwest at 10 knots, temperature 54 degrees, and relative humidity around 90%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, see lots of clouds across the area with this rainfall. That'll be the case throughout the day today. We'll see the lower and mid-level clouds start to thin out for this afternoon as this warm front moves north of the area, and we'll just see some high-level cirrus. And taking a look at the radar imagery, you can see lots of rainfall across the region this morning. That's going to be the case throughout the morning hours before it moves north of the region. So taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you can see here that rainfall moves through the area this morning. See here at about noon, starts to move north of the region, and then by about 2 o'clock, looks like it should be well north of the area, and throughout the rest of the afternoon into the early evening hours. You can see here 8 o'clock, the rain starts to approach from the west, and we'll start to pick up a chances of rain about 8 o'clock, and then looks like that rain becomes likely by about 10 o'clock. You can see here some stronger DBZs or higher DBZs in this derived reflectivity from the HRRR. So could be seeing a very slight chance of that thunderstorm, but most likely not going to see that across the region. That rain will continue overnight, and we'll see by tomorrow morning just some mostly cloudy skies, breezy conditions out of the northwest, and a little bit cooler across the region than this morning. So our high today around 61 degrees, low tonight around 47, so both well above normal this time of year. Red condition for our rain this morning, yellow for this afternoon, that lingering rain shower until about 1 or 2 o'clock, but overall looks like most of the rain should be north of the region by about noon today. Southwesterly winds 10 to 15 knots, gusts to 23 knots throughout the daytime hours today, so a slight chance we see a wind advisory. For the overnight hours, we'll see rain becoming likely with that cold front moving through and winds picking up by tomorrow morning, northwest 10 to 15 knots, gusts to 24 knots, and as I mentioned, a low mild for this time of year, around 47 degrees. We'll see a chance of some lower ceilings from time to time of day, and most likely with the rainfall. So looking at terminal forecast, we'll see that rain likely throughout the day today until about noon, and then they become just mostly cloudy skies to overcast skies across the region. Thereafter, some filtered sunshine possible this afternoon with just a few clouds around 8,000 feet, a few clouds around 20,000 feet, and overcast deck 25,000 feet after 1,500 locals. So looking like, as I mentioned, that rainfall this morning and then a break this afternoon, bringing back that rainfall this evening. And the best chance of rain this evening comes after 10 o'clock or 2,200 local with rain likely, some moderate rain possible as well, and a 10% chance of a thunderstorm. That looks like it lingers in the area until about Saturday 5 local, and then we'll dry out thereafter with that breezier northwesterly wind picking up tomorrow morning. Our tides are normal, and looking at Saturday into Sunday, Saturday mostly cloudy and breezy during the morning, becoming mostly sunny and slightly breezy by afternoon, high 51 degrees. Looks like we'll have a wind advisory tomorrow morning. Saturday night, mostly clear and seasonable, low of 27, and for Sunday, partly mostly cloudy and seasonable, high of 46 degrees. Green charts across the board for Saturday night to Sunday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back at 10 o'clock in the next 7 days.